once again.
Yo, what do you do, guys? It's your boy Nano. Sorry, I sound a little out of it. I've been sick for the last couple of days. But hey gang, check it out. I'm on the snow biome, and I got my raptor right here, Mr. Raptor. Is it a miss or a mister? I can't tell. Well, it's a raptor, and I've been looking for some diamonds, guys, but I got to it. I'm about to die of hunger, and I just been out of it, guys. Sorry, just sore throat. It's hard to talk, but I've been doing good. I know I've been gone for a while. I'm level 30. I'm trying to get the guys to come play with me. We're trying to make a server, so if anybody knows how to make a server on the mobile, that'll be awesome. The reason we're not playing online is because I work 13 hours a day. BSAC works with me 13 hours a day as well. He works with me. Then we got Boobin. He's at home all the time. And you have, Beast 11 and stuff like that. We're all scattered everywhere, so it's hard to play games with each other. But this mobile version actually helps us out. And also I was making breakfast. Excuse me for the noise. What is wrong with you, bro? You have a broken bone? I just fed your ass. No way! No way! No fucking way! That is bullshit. Alright. And I keep forgetting to making a bed, guys. I keep forgetting oh! I'm so pissed! Where are we at? So, this is the shack that we started off. We started over there, but we moved over here. Now, I don't want to be here. Actually, I'm pissed off this trike because I'm actually trying to get on the other side. Sometimes it doesn't spawn you where you want to be at, guys. I'm sorry, that sounds disgusting. Just come on, kill me. Come on, guys. Thank you. All right. So we spawned by between 80 and 90. I'm trying to spawn right here where this is at. West Zone 3. So I don't know why my fucking spawning rate, my spawns just do randomly. Come on. Sweet, we're by the base. I can tell you this, guys, it's gonna be a long ass fucking walk home. So I got the circle. I still need to make this circle a saddle. I got a four dilos, I mean. I got another raptor. This is a male raptor, I think. And I got the trike and the Phiomia. Trying to get some stuff so I won't die. You know what? The reason I haven't named them for just because I know they're gonna die. But if you guys want me to name them, leave a comment down below. Tell me which animal you want me to name for you, or if you want a certain animal you want me to tame, let me know. It might be a challenge, but hey, I'm down for a challenge. Come on. Oh, that's disgusting every time I do that. Are you coming or not? God, man, animals these days. So remember, guys, I'm going without any weapons. I lost it all my good shit's over there. But I don't want you guys to see this boring walk going all the way over there. That's where we need to be at. Let's go, cause I don't want my shit to despawn. You know what? Let's have some fun. Aren't you attacking? About damn time. It took a while. A couple of glitches in the game. But hey, I wish they just update this game faster all the time. Where the hell are you? Come on. Like I said, I just wish they updated. I want to see more and more of this game grow. Like, be honest, I am addicted to this game. I love this game. Like, when I'm at work, all you see me is playing this game. It's so fun. And there's always new challenges. I'm like, cause you're playing as vanilla. Cause, yeah, like I said in my last video, I would love for mods to be in this game. I would love for this game to be more, you know, how we play in the PC version, PC and console. I want to so it'd be more fun, you know. You have the mods, but a challenge is always a good thing in the game. What the hell? Okay. I just hope Mr. Raptor didn't die. Oh shit. We're in a little bit of a pickle. Oh shit, you're on your own, buddy. Oh, I gotta help your brother. Come on. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, he ate him! Oh, no fucking wonder. There's two fucking circles. Oh my god. I know you guys are mad telling me why I didn't see it, but I had to get my shit. Oh god. Even my throat hurts. Okay, let me. Whoa, that shouldn't be there. Whoa, that shouldn't be there. Alright, guys. We are gonna get a kitty cat. No, wait. Jump passive. But follow me. Well, I better get some food in me, because we know what happened last time. Come on. Oh, yes. Hells yes. Where's the other fucking circle at? I should put that on. Just in case if I'm cold. Hell yeah, I need that, because my other one's gonna die. That's trash. That's trash. That's trash. I'll take that. So we need a spyglass. Oh. See what it takes to make a spyglass. Hey, I have it all. Thankfully. No, I don't. No, because you're an asshole. I'm gonna harvest your ass. So what else do I need? Okay. Alright. Oh no, get back here. Get back here. Where's that fucking circle at? I think the next challenge, guys, is to get a woolly mammoth. I'm actually trying to concentrate and do this thing, and we need to get some penguins too. But I need a flyer. So I guess the woolly mammoth would be awesome to collect all that wood and fiber. I have a sickle for the thatch. So getting a woolly mammoth, getting a flyer, and getting, what's next? A T-Rex to protect the base and build our base. I think that's the best thing we can do right now for us. And it's so awesome how these, like, these savers actually, you know, real fast. It's taming. So did my raptor. The only thing that I hate about this game is these fucking flyers. The pterodactyls take forever. I mean, forever to tame. Last time I gave him 2 prime meat and he wasn't even done. This guy took 1 prime meat and he was halfway done. But I'm just gonna wait until this guy is done, and then we're gonna call it quits, guys. I know it's a short video. Gotta go back to sleep before the wifey catches me playing, making videos. I have to get well by tomorrow. I have a lot of work to do. Oh, what the hell? No! Oh God, we lost. We lost a raptor. Oh hell no. I'll take that. Take that. It really hurt, and we're gonna die. Oh my fucking God. Oh yes, you're alive. Get high off the mushrooms. Get high off the mushrooms. Oh my God. I knew that's gonna happen.